Okay, today I'm gonna do what I was taught to do. So I'm gonna first put some flux on it, right? Okay. Or should I use the cable thing? The flux is enough.
Yeah.
Okay. So what? This has a lot of different kind. Okay.
This one.
I got you. Okay, that's you can use it. Okay. Now, I know I'm not that experienced. I'm same as you guys, but I'm gonna try first using the technique of the instructor by holding the other side of the cable,
Yeah.
and I will warm it up. And as I'm warming it up, I will move it up.
Yeah. You go pushing it up like that.
Like that. Okay. Okay. And
Slowly by
the flux will easily help you.
Yeah.
I'm not even putting a lot of force. As soon as you warm it up, it will come off.
But it's soft.
It's very soft.
Yeah.
It's not even hard. Just to be comfortable doing on your own. So you can avoid asking other people to do things for you when you are a technician.
Yeah.
There will be a time you will beg others for helping you a little thing. Or you're paying too much money for it.
Yeah.
So I got it off. So one thing the instructor was doing is to clean up the terminals, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So when I'm moving this one, I'm taking it off and I'm cleaning on a wire that cleans and wraps this off. Okay. I think we need to get the light on. Let's see.
Yeah.
It became very dark.
I thought the light was on. Yeah.
The light was off.
Yeah.
The brightness of the sunlight was helping us.
Yeah.
Now we lost it out. We gotta turn the light on. But you know what? Just be comfortable. However you're gonna do it. Okay, so I'm gonna put my stuff back. First, I have to make sure I
the
align.
terminals are also clean.
Okay, the terminals
aligned
are
down
okay.
very well. You turn it like this.
Okay, the back side.
Yeah.
Clean the back side first.
Yeah. That one just passes like this.
Just overdo it like this.
Yeah. Fast. Then you bring it.
So you first do this,
Yeah.
and then you clean it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna do it. The first step one, and step two is to clean every connector on its own. Remove the anything that can cause bridging in between the terminals.
Yeah.
So we clean it this side. I'm gonna flip it the other way, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it a little. Okay, so I'm gonna clean it up. I can see a broken term. Is this a broken one or bent?
But it is still there.
Still gonna be working.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, let's get to work now.
Yeah. You see.
Yeah, this is placed to there. Okay, so let's concentrate on the camera, bro. And otherwise, we just wasting energy for no reason. You have to line it up correctly and place it as it should be there. So I'm gonna start with one side.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna just move it over. I think I have done.
Yeah.
Okay, I have done the first task.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we can
clean
do the
this
other one too, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna just, wow,
This one.
I burned myself. And don't put the LCD over any metallic thing. It can easily break,
Yeah.
or you can cause a scratch. And I want to see where's the
That's clean. That one.
other to switch. Okay. Let's clean first the LCD. And this wire is on my way. Okay. So the LCD we gotta clean from both sides, and we can go from there.
Yeah.
Okay. What? I have less space.
That's first clean here.
I'm cleaning, yeah.
Here.
Oh,
This.
shit. Did I burn you? Well,
Yeah.
the table itself needs to be cleaned, wiped. I don't have wiper, but let's use what we can. Otherwise, it can. Oh yeah, you have this crazy liquid that easily clean anything.
Yeah.
Great. So we got that off, and we gotta just do the practical thing. I'm gonna first place it over and move over. Okay, we'll do it again.
Yeah.
And now it's time to take off any dirt that can cause bridging. What? I think we gotta turn our light on.
Let me turn on.
Please hold on. Let's get this over first.
Okay.
Okay, I have done this. Hold on. I'll turn it on while the instructor holding the camera. Well, mix change.
Yeah.
Okay, so did I clean the lower part?
Yeah.
Now it's time to clean this side.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, where does it go now?
Yeah.
Okay, and move it here. This is gonna be okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna make sure first the service for the screen is clear and there's nothing on your way. So I'm gonna line it up this to the other terminal and terminal connector, whatever it is called.
The
Connector.
connectors. Yeah.
Connector teeth or connector, whatever that is. So you gotta do halfway, not here, but not even there, but in the middle of it, right? Somewhere there.
Yeah.
Okay. You have to reconfirm so many times that you're lining your stuff. I keep seeing it moving around. Now
You can
okay.
even hold it. Yeah, it's okay.
I got one side.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the rest. I may not line it the correct way, but I think I'm closer to that. Okay. We can just keep it the way it is.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have done the second connecting LCD to the motherboard. The fourth time, because the instructor did it too and I did it too.
Yeah.
Least we can say today we have done some work.
Yeah.
Are we doing something? Oh, we can do this ones.
Yeah.
This mouthpiece or different